share it. Okay. Give me a minute, please. I'll just quickly move on for the children to give the idea. And then again, you can go ahead. Now, once again, children, write down the topic chapter 30. Chapter 30, the main event is Edgar Linton passes away. And the very special, it was a moment of emotions, a moment of very... Because
dark chocolate, aka young sexy mother.
Edgar Linton was holding on until his daughter arrived. What's going on?
Even in French, the same thing happens.
Sorry?
Even in
Mom,
French,
Mom, can I shit in my pants? Mom,
What is happening actually?
Kita using voice changes when they're talking to it. Because music
Habib and Arif, right?
our teacher,
Teacher that joined with our classmate member.
teacher Ali, I think. Arif, stop.
No, it's not Arif.
it is Arif.
No, but they joined with his name, not him.
Now kick them out.
Someone joined in my name. Sorry.
All right, children.